Okay, so I'm over here at Mr. and Mrs. Kills, and we're over on the Brazilian hardwood deck we just finished in O'Fallon, Missouri. And so I'm just kind of showing you, it's about 90 degrees right now, isn't it? About 90?
Yeah, close
Yeah, it's
to
close
it.
to 90, so we're no problem with the
80.
feet.
No.
So not too hot to walk on, which is nice. So go ahead and tell me a little bit about your experience.
Oh, what, just that story I said?
Yeah, talk about the neighbor, yeah.
Yeah, then one neighbor said to another, oh, you live next to that house with the brand new nice deck.
Yep. So what do you think about the Brazilian hardwood?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah, I was out wrapping around here. I can't really see if on top here, but down we have the floor to lee. We got they call it the combo look here, and got all the post wraps all done. So what an amazing deck here. Got the Westbury handrail, lifetime warranties on that. So all right, what a happy Sunday here with the Jones family.
Yeah, we had to go out quick and buy some furniture. And
Yeah, that's what happens when you fix your house up. You have to go out and get the furniture to match everything, or get something going. So,
yeah.
wow, so much better than what it was before. I think we had the cedar here before, didn't we?
Yeah, it was like that over there.
Yeah.
That.
Yep.
So.
Yep. Okay. Well, congratulations. Thanks so much.